you encounter problems in your daily lives? How do you solve your problems? Do you consider different factors that can affect your process of making solutions? How do you come up with the solutions? A problem is a situation preventing something from being achieved. The word problem comes from the Greek word probaline, with pro meaning before and baline meaning to throw. In that context, probaline really suggests an idea of throwing something, as in throwing forth a question or throwing forth a situation. Meanwhile, solution is the act of solving a problem, and question, a means of solving a problem or dealing with a difficult situation. A problem-solving strategy is a set of steps to take in order to solve a problem. Different action plans are linked with different strategies. Trial and error, for example, is a well-known approach. When using the trial and error, you keep trying different solutions until you found one that worked. The first step in problem-solving strategies is act it out or defining the problem. When the problems are more difficult, the value of acting it out becomes apparent. In this step, you can try your best to articulate the problem. Ask yourself the following questions. What am I trying to do? What have I done already? What do I think the program should be doing? What is it actually doing?
The second step in problem-solving strategy is make a drawing or diagram.
There is no need to draw detailed pictures. Draw only what is essential to tell about the problem.
The third step in problem-solving strategies is look for a pattern.
This involves identifying the pattern and predicting what will come next. Construct a table to look for a pattern.
The fourth step in problem-solving strategies is construct a table or an organized list.
This is an efficient way to classify or order large amount of data. It is also an organized list provides a systematic way to record computations.
The fifth step in problem-solving strategy is identifying all the possibilities.
This is often used with look for a pattern and construct a table.
The sixth step in problem-solving strategy is guessing and checking.
It does not include wild or blind guesses. The checking portion of this strategy must be stressed. When repeated guesses are necessary, using what has been learned from earlier guess should help make each subsequent guess better and better.
The seventh step in problem-solving strategy is work backward.
These problems are posed in such a way that students are given the final conditions of an action and are asked about something that occurred earlier.
Meanwhile, the eighth step in problem-solving strategy is writing your open sentence.
In this part is the only strategy that was taught in the textbook. Research says these are very useful but not so useful because it can be taught exclusively.
The ninth step in problem-solving strategy is solve a simpler or similar problems.
Some of the solutions are difficult because the problems contains large numbers or complicated patterns. Sometimes you can use a simpler representation will show a pattern which can help solve a problem. And last, the 10th step in problem-solving strategies is change your viewpoint or logical reasons. When the first plan is unsuccessful, the students tend to return to the problem with the same point of view. So those are the 10 steps in problem-solving strategies for us to deeply understand the process of problem-solving strategies. Here's one of the scenarios that we need to apply the said strategies. Good day everyone. We encountered one of the biggest problem in our company. We conduct this meeting to discuss this problem and to come up with a solution. So there is this one company that offers same service as we have. We know that delivery services are one of the trends and necessities in food ordering. This company managed to reach more than our sales, and more people is using it rather than the service that we have. And even our old customers shifted their membership from us to that company. So as you can see in the word, here is the data that is collected on March 2021. Our data shows that our sale decreases by the month of January, which is the month when the ABC company established their service. So that means that their company affects the sale of our company. According to my research, there is also one same case in United States, where one company struggles because of their competitor company. It seems that their company lost all their investors because of their company. So, for the solution in this case, we need first to know our target market. Food delivery services is known widely in every household. So, we expect that every house with mobile phones can avail our service. But how can we inform every household that there is a service like us available 24/7? So based on my research and the other factors, the possibility that we can take back our loss is estimated in 2 months if we will make this an effective solution to our problem. So after the few researches that we conducted, we must come up with the possible solutions that we can do for our problem. First is we can consider promoting our service to the public. We can do ads or TV commercials, billboard ads, flyers, and posters. Next is making our service better, which is our main goal. Like making sure if the number of employees are enough for the customers and making sure if they have proper allowance and monthly income. So let's go back to our main goal, which is not to compete with the other company, but we need to make our service made known to have a better and efficient food delivery services in our country. As we have the different types of solutions, we must consider the different factors that can affect those solutions. And we must check if it is doable and possible to apply or not. To make it simple or clearer, here is one example. It is the story of the Coca-Cola and the Pepsi-Cola. So the founder of Coca-Cola decided to focus on one branding, which is the well-known Coke. and the other company is Pepsi Cola, which has many branding and different products. So as the time went by, the two companies run their businesses on different level. As Coca-Cola's strategy is focused on one, they observe the problems that they encountered much easier. So from that story, the Coca-Cola succeeded more. So what am I trying to imply is that we must focus on our main goal, which is to provide better services or better food delivery services. So as we listed our solutions, we need to make sure to have second option if my proposed solutions like flyers and TV commercials, etc. fails, we have an option to succeed our plan. So meaning we have to have plan B, plan C, and all the way to plan Z in order for us to succeed in our problem.